Question 31, simplify m over n plus m minus 1 over 5m minus m minus 2 over 10n, where m is not equal to 0. Solution: what you have is fractions, addition, and subtraction. You find the LCM of the denominators, and that is 10n. If you divide 10n by n, you have 10. 10 times m, you have 10m plus. You divide 10n by the next denominator, 5n, you have 2 times this numerator, you have this result, minus. You divide 10n by 10n, you have 1 times this numerator, you have it in this form. If you open the brackets using plus 2 and minus 1 respectively, you have this result. Some terms will cancel off, like minus 2 plus 2. If you add 10m plus 2n is 12n minus m, you have 11m over 10n. B is the correct option. Question 32. If root 72 plus root 32 minus 3 root 18 equal to s root 8, find the value of s. You simply express each term in basic form. In basic form, you look for a factor of each number that is a perfect number which its square root is a whole number. In 72, you have 36 times 2. In 32, 16 times 2. In 18, 9 times 2. In 8, 4 times 2. So this simplifies to 6 root 2 plus 4 root 2. Root 9 is 3. 3 times 3, you have 9 root 2. Root 4 is 2. 2 times s, you have 2s root 2. If you add the left hand side, you have root 2 equal to 2s. Divide through by root 2, you are left with 1 equal to 2s. Divide both sides by 2, s is equal to 1 over 2. C is the correct option. Question 33. G varies directly as the square of h. This is the meaning direct variation. If g is equal to 4 and h is 3, find h when g is equal to 100. From this expression, we always replace symbol of variation with equality sign, and at the same time introduce the constant of variation, which always multiplies the right hand side. So we are to get k. That is why you have it that g is equal to 4, h equal to 3. If you replace g and h with what they stand for in this place, you have 4 equal to 9k. That is 3 square now is 9, and k is 4 over 9. In order to find h when g is 100, you need to establish the equation of formula connecting g and h, and that formula is simply replacing k by 4 over 9 in this form. So g is equal to 100, and that is equal to 4 over 9 h squared. If you multiply through by 9 and divide both sides by 4, h squared is equal to this, and that is 25 times 9. To get h, you take the square root of both sides. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 9 is 3. When you multiply, you have 15. A is the correct option. Question 34. Given that number of elements in set P equal to 19, the number of elements in the union of P and Q equal to 38, number of elements in the intersection of P and Q is equal to 7. Find the number of elements in Q. From set theorem, the number of elements in the union of two sets is expressed in this form. So you replace the various parts with what they stand for, except for this. If you simplify the right hand side, you get this result. To get number of elements in set Q, you have to transfer 12 to the left, and you have 38 minus 12. Number of elements in set Q becomes 6. That is 26 rather, 26. A is the correct option. Question 35. What must be added to 2s minus 3y to get s minus 2y? What must be added to this? What must be added to this is equal to difference between this and this. Now take it this way, that you add p to this and is equal to this. What if you make p the subject? You have to transfer this term to go and meet this. It becomes minus. If you open the bracket with this minus here, you have s minus 2y minus 2s plus 3y. Minus times minus is plus. That simplifies to minus s plus y, which is also written as y minus s. B is the correct option. Question 36. Simplify this. So you take the whole problem. Now, from rule of Bodmer's, you need to start from the bracket. You have fractions addition. If you simply add the whole numbers, you have 6 whole number 1/3. Remove the brackets and also convert to improper fractions. You have this result. The LCM is 12. If you divide 12 by 4, you have 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Divide 12 by 3, you have 4 times 19, you have 76. If you subtract, you have this result. Convert to mixed fraction, you have this. C is the correct option. Question 37. In the diagram, STUV is a straight line. Angle TSY 40 degrees, angle USY 40 degrees, and angle VUW 110 degrees. Calculate angle TYW. That is this angle. We can use many approaches, but let's take one. That approach, we need to start by getting this angle. That is sum of angles on a straight line using this. So the expression attend to that. Now, if you make angle TUW the subject by transferring angle VUW, that is 110 degrees, to the right hand side, angle TUW becomes 180 degrees minus 110, and that is 70 degrees. In triangle STU, we want to get this angle now is exterior. That is angle YTS is equal to angle SUT plus angle TSU, and you have the reason. So angle YTS is 40 degrees plus 70 degrees. That is this angle 70 and this angle. They are interior opposite angles to this exterior angle. You have sum. Alright, so let's continue. So we know angle YTS. Let's consider triangle STY. Angle SYS. SYS. Let's get, that is this angle now. Okay, SYS. This angle also is exterior to the sum of these two interior angles. That is what you have here. And SYS is 150 degrees. Now, this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angles. So, taking this approach, angle TYW is 150 degrees. Question 38. Given that 124 base S is equal to 7 times 14 base S, find the value of S. Solution: you need to convert both sides to base 10. To do that, you use the given base to multiply each digit, and you assign the position of the digit to the base. The position starts with 0 from right to left. So 4, position is 0, 2, you have 1, and 1 is 2. So you have 1 times S, the power is 2. You have S squared plus 2 times S power 1 plus 4 times S power 0 equal to 7 bracket open 1 times S power 1. For 1, the position is 1 and 4 is 0 plus 4 times S power 0. This term is 1. This term is also 1. For that, you have S squared plus 2S plus 4 equal to 7 bracket open S plus 4. If you open the bracket in the right hand side, you have this result. We already have a quadratic equation. If you transfer all these terms to the other side, you have this result. If you add like terms, you have this. Next thing is to factorize. Look for two factors of 24 that the sum is minus 5 and the product is minus 24. Such factors are minus 8 and plus 3. So you express the two factors in terms of S and replace the middle term with them. The purpose is to have 4 terms so that you factorize by grouping. First 2 terms, first group, second 2 terms, second group. If you factorize, you get this result and this result. It follows that each factor is equal to 0. If you transfer the respective constant terms, you have S equal to 8 or minus 3. Okay? So the base cannot be negative. So it means S is equal to 8. D is the correct option. Question 39. Find the smaller number of S that satisfies the equation S squared plus 7S plus 10 equal to 0. I just factorized one equation in question 38. If you use similar procedures and factorize this equation, you have S equal to minus 2 or minus 5. The smaller value here is minus 5. You know, in your number line you have 0. From 0 to the right, the number increases. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. From 0 to the left, the numbers decreases. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 2 is less than minus 1. That is the meaning. So minus 5 is less than minus 2. That is why minus 5 is the smaller value. A is the correct option. Question 40. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of an acute angled triangle are drawn. Which of these statements is correct? They intersect inside the triangle. This is acute triangle, so something like this. This angle is less than 90 and this angle is 90. So if you, this acute angle, another one is here. So if you bisect this angle and you bisect this angle, they are meeting at the center inside the triangle. So C is the correct option. Pythagoras Simplified Maths. If you are watching and viewing from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. For more updates, like and share PSM videos. If you are viewing and watching from Facebook, follow and like the page for more updates. Also share PSM videos.